Happy holidays! It's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity, and I'm here with another collection that I just find really exciting from Ciao Bella Paper from Italy. And I have it in this plastic envelope that I wanted to show you also, which I find is great for collections of 12 by 12 paper pads, because it fits them perfectly with any other things you want to include with the collection that you are putting in storage. I put them in bins that are actually big enough to have them upright. But yeah, I want to show this one today. So excited to be unraveling it out of this container. Actually going to, I was going to save it for Christmas, but I decided I'm going, my husband said it's okay for me to open it up to show all of my followers these wonderful papers. So I don't have to wait and show them after the holiday. I also have another one too. Just one more, which is the collection, the Owl's House from Stamperia, which I just find really, really beautiful, and I just love it. So make sure you come back and see that. I'm going to post that tomorrow, probably tomorrow. So yeah, so this collection it's entitled, wait, let me make sure I find one of the sheets that say it. I know it's a lot. There's a lot of papers and everything that came in. I didn't even get the whole collection. I just got what I find and that I like. But this is the 6x6. They call it the fussy cut pad. And this is it's called Winter Season. Again, it's Ciao Bella Paper, CIAO BELLA paper, and it's from Italy, and they just have such cute little designs. So let me start with this fussy cut pad, and the first page is one-sided, but it's just to cut. You can cut out these little cute little decorations. Okay, at first I wasn't thrilled with the colors because they are pretty muted when I saw them, when I ordered them, and I'm like, oh, but you know what? I like it. They're beige, but they're very, like vintage looking, very rustic, I would say, almost like country, farmhouse country type of style. So I kind of like that too. So here's some really cute cutouts. These are double-sided, these pages inside of it was in a plastic bag. I took the plastic bags off of things, trying to make sure that it wouldn't, be hard to see, and I wouldn't have to crumple up the plastic taking it out. I hate it when that happens. I know that's not cool. But yeah, I wanted to get this to show you. I'm so excited that, and like I said, I was going to keep it, but then I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to post this after Christmas. And, because, once Christmas is over, I know how it is. People, oh, and here's the back of that page. I know that people pretty much, it's over, and then, got to think of the new year. So I am going to take a break between Christmas and New Year's for sure, maybe even longer, because my son is home from school. We have a lot going on, a lot of family things, a lot of gatherings, a lot of places to go, and he's having friends of his come and stay with us on New Year's, and then for like a week after New Year's, so they can go in to New York City and hang out. And oh, look at that, that's cool, the wood, like very realistic wood pattern on the back of that one. Yeah, so it'll be fun. He'll have his friends from college are really fun, nice guys, so I'm happy to be having them come to our house and hang out with them. They don't live nearby, so this is a special thing. And I'm gonna need to, take time off as much as possible to be dealing with all that. Not gonna be you know, doing much else other than taking care of the household. You know, hopefully I won't get too exhausted, because I am pretty tired already from the holidays. You know, I was gonna get my nails done again, but I just thought, you know what, just let them let them stay until the end of the holidays, and then I can get them done, you know, get them changed if I want to. I don't usually care about that, about having my nails done, but it was fun. My sister did that for me over near Thanksgiving time, and I was really happy that I had that spa time with her. So yeah, these are really cute designs. I love the little pets, the, you know, dogs. Look how cute the penguin is, and the little gingerbread men. So this is a cute collection. Here are some. These are like vellum papers. I think it says here, so it's a deluxe and vellum dual pack, 6 different designs. So this is vellum, which is like it looks like a knitted sweater, I guess, you know, like cable knit sweater. So that's cool. Here's another piece of the vellum with some words on it. It says happy journey, holiday, winter, frozen, season, fall. It's pretty cool paper. These items can be used throughout winter, so when I saw them, I'm like, ooh, I'd like those two to use for, you know, maybe some birthdays that I have in the winter time. This is me, you know, obviously this is very Christmas with the ornaments and the lantern and poinsettia. I don't know if that's the way you say it, but it's just beautiful. Look at that. I don't even know if it comes across. It's probably really shiny on the camera, but it's just such a pretty paper. And it is paper, it's not vellum, but it's like kind of like holographic in a way with the goals. There's a bunch of wreaths. And here's a like cutouts that you can use. I'll save these for next Christmas. When I get items for one Christmas, often they have to then be saved for the following Christmas, because I'm already pretty much done with all my cards and everything I'm sending out. This year I sent out cards that were personal about our trip that we took as a family in the summer for our 30th wedding anniversary. We got to go on this special trip that I've talked about enough, I know. Oh, look at that snowman. So these are stickers, adhesive sheets. They are stickers, but they don't come right off. They aren't cut. So they need to be cut with either a machine like a Brother Scan and Cut, or they need to be fussy cut. So I have one of those machines, so I'm going to try to use those on these stickers. I would suggest, if you don't like fussy cutting, then if you get a collection like this, and maybe these aren't the best part of the collection to get, because they are kind of, you know, they're very detailed. But then again, you know, with stickers like this, you don't have to cut out like perfect around it, because they're clear stickers. The backing, if you hear water running, that's my dishwasher, sorry. It's on. I'm trying to get, you know, do all kind of multitasking. But anyway, if you get one of these and you don't cut out exactly around it, it's okay, because the plastic will, and you know, if you have a background that's, you know, like just a piece of paper or whatever, the plastic will go right into the background. Like it will, you know, kind of meld into it, so you don't really need to fussy cut it perfectly. These ornaments are beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, and here's some more. So they also have rub-ons in this collection, which I didn't get with the this winter season. I did mainly get papers, and the papers are just so beautiful. So I got this 8x8 pad, because it is different than the 6x6 pad. So I wanted, you know, a little bit different, and it's very it's, you know, very old-fashioned looking, very like Victorian style almost, vintage. Look at the little kitten. Oh, it's so cute. And here you got like a modern girl in the middle of it all. So, you know, it's like what you get when you you know, with the junk journals. Often they'll have like digital pictures of, you know, like a certain look. It has a certain look. What I suggest, if you like to make cards or tags, or even with scrapbooking and journaling, you just cut out like a section. This could just be, you know, like the topper, or, you know, a front of a card, or actually it would be perfect size for a pretty big size, you know, a bigger tag. I love making tags this time of year. I make tons of them. I do it when I'm just like watching TV at night, usually. So it's not, you know, something that I'm taping or anything, but I cut them out, and then, you know, and I use my crocodile to make the holes. And some of them are already gone out because I've sent them to family members for, like, you know, with their cards. Some of them I'm incorporating into gifts and not just putting on the gifts. So that's good too. But yeah, look at this. These are so pretty. These papers. I'm gonna go a little faster because I'm realizing I'm getting up there with this collection. This is a big collection, and like I said, I don't even have all of it, so you can find it online. I found it through some specialty shops. I got this one through, I think, from Lena Treasure Box, which is just, you know, someone who sells papers. But I thought they were very, very cute. Real quick, this is the pad A4 for the winter season. Again, I got all these because these are all different, right? You get different decorations for each one. And this one, I really loved the tags and the toppers that are included. Each one has a background on it, you know, backer, so that you might not want to, it doesn't matter if you use the backer, but I just love the different styles and the tags. I love this pet puppy dog, especially, and the snowman. You got all these, you know, these different, like, women and different other animals too. It's just so sweet. Here's some really cute tags too. So these will be tags that I'll probably use next year. I'm not gonna probably cut them out this year because I already cut out all kinds of tags. Oh, there's the back of that. Nice. Very nice plaid. Some more like ATC size pictures. Sorry if hopefully I'm in frame the whole time. But there you go. That's the one of the size, and this is the one of the last ones I wanted to show. Is that I got another Duum and Vellum pack. Look at how rich this paper looks. It's just so beautiful. And it's like the other one, it's, you know, one-sided, and it's paper, but it's a special kind of like foil paper. It's got like a holographic look to it. So those are the deluxe papers, and this is the vellum. So see, it's a very different vellum than the smaller size. So gingham. And a cute little one. Okay, so I'm going much longer than I usually want to, but here's one thing too. This is a rice paper, which I thought I'd try. Got a little wrinkled up, but the rice papers are so great for collaging and decoupage, and, you know, they're so thin, and when you use gesso, excuse me, or like Mod Podge over the top, it makes it stick to whatever, you know, like a napkin type of thing. It just sticks that way, so it's really cool. So I wanted to try that too. And here's the 12 by 12 paper pad, which is very similar to the other ones, but still has totally different things. So each paper pad in this collection is very different, even though it's got the same theme. All the the designs are pretty different. Oh, look at that. I just love showing this stuff. I mean, when I find things that are like this, that are just so unique and like wonderful, I just get so excited that I can share it with others. I am gonna have to, you know, not get as many paper pads and collections, because it is overwhelming at times, as I have so much right now. I need to really use it up, cut it up and use it, but that's important, you know. Make sure you use your papers up when you get them so you don't have so much that it gets out of hand. But yeah, so that's the Ciao Bella paper collection and it's called Winter Seasons, and it's just so adorable. I hope you can you know, find it and maybe get it for next season if it's too late already to, you know, purchase it. But please, everybody, have a wonderful Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be my last one for this year. But bye for now. Thank you. Bye.